Welcome to Denraks Machinery, your trusted source for high-quality agricultural and industrial equipment. In today's compilation, we are showcasing 6 outstanding machines that represent the very best in modern farming and processing technology. Our first feature is the 200 kg per hour combined rice milling machine. This powerful piece of equipment streamlines the rice processing workflow by combining milling, husking, and polishing into one efficient system. Whether you are running a small family farm or a mid-scale rice processing facility, this machine delivers consistent, high-quality white rice with minimal manual effort. Next, we present the mini rice milling machine. Compact, affordable, and incredibly efficient, this unit is designed for farmers and small operators who need a reliable milling solution without the need for large infrastructure. Despite its small footprint, it punches well above its weight in output quality. Our third machine is the 600 kg per hour 4-in-1 combined rice milling machine. This advanced unit handles 4 stages of rice processing in a single pass: husking, milling, polishing, and sorting. It is the ideal solution for operations looking to scale up production while keeping labor costs low. Fourth in our lineup is the threshing machine. After harvesting, the threshing process is critical for separating grain from stalks quickly and cleanly. This robust machine accelerates the process dramatically, reducing post-harvest losses and saving countless hours of manual labor. Our fifth highlight is the 6-row fully automated rice transplanter machine. Transplanting rice seedlings by hand is labor-intensive and time-consuming. This precision machine automates the process with 6 rows at once, ensuring uniform spacing, consistent depth, and dramatically increased transplanting speed, all contributing to better crop yields. Finally, we feature the HIROTA Walking Tractor with iron wheel and disc plough. A legendary name in Asian agriculture, HIROTA tractors are known for their durability and versatility. The iron wheel and disc plough attachment makes this machine ideal for wet field preparation, turning and aerating soil with excellent efficiency even in challenging paddy conditions. All machines featured in today's video are available through Denraks Machinery. We specialize in sourcing and supplying the latest agricultural and food processing equipment to customers throughout Thailand and across the region. To inquire about pricing, availability, or delivery options, please contact us directly. You can reach our sales team via WhatsApp at +66 62 582 8186. You can also send us an email at sales